Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Have you got grand ideas for a dream home? Well, this spacious 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home offers the ideal foundation for your dream. This house is located at Farm Pen in Savanna, Westmoreland, and sits on 0.83 acres of land. The property comes with a sprawling driveway and front yard for the new homeowner to create the most compelling entry. It is a multi-level traditional structure with a wraparound balcony at the upper level that enhances the space, privacy, convenience, and comfort with a multiplicity of uses. There is a gym, home office, a family room with a view of the front yard. Both the ground floor and upper floor are designed with open concept living and dining areas, with the upper floor layout extending to a kitchenette. Hints of natural light spreads out from the vaulted ceilings in these areas, lending to the warmth and exquisite design. The kitchen has ample space for an island, breakfast nook, and additional shelving. The huge and well-fruited backyard provides more than enough to bite in, extends your landscaping options, and offers more accommodation for the family or guests or even extra income via short or long-term rentals. Book your appointment today. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 55 million or US $357.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.